Companies Act Section 154, Allotment of Director Identification Number, DIN. Section 154 of the Companies Act, 2013 outlines the procedure for the allotment of a Director Identification Number, DIN, to an individual who has applied for it. The Director Identification Number, DIN, is a unique identification number assigned to an individual intending to serve as a director in any company. This number serves as a means of tracking directors in India, ensuring transparency and accountability in the corporate governance framework. The section provides specific timelines for the allotment process and outlines the manner in which the central government shall process applications. 1. Allotment of Director Identification Number, DIN. Under this section, the central government has the responsibility of allotting the Director Identification Number, DIN, to any individual who has applied for it under Section 153 of the Companies Act, 2013. The central government, through the Registrar of Companies, ROC, is mandated to allot this unique identification number to eligible applicants in a timely manner. The process of allotment is straightforward. Once the application is received from the individual, the central government must complete the allotment procedure within a specified period of 1 month. This stipulation is crucial as it ensures that the allotment process is efficient and quick, preventing unnecessary delays for applicants who are eager to serve in directorial roles within companies. 2. Timeline for allotment of DIN. The allotment of the Director Identification Number, DIN, must occur within 1 month from the receipt of the application submitted under Section 153. This strict timeline ensures that the application process is efficient and that applicants do not face unnecessary waiting periods. The 1-month period begins once the central government receives a completed application that meets all prescribed requirements. The emphasis on a timely response from the central government ensures that the process of appointing a director is not hindered by bureaucratic delays. The 1-month deadline is crucial for the smooth functioning of corporate governance, allowing companies to move forward with the appointment of directors and ensuring that all regulatory requirements are met within an acceptable time frame. 3. Manner of allotment. The manner in which the Director Identification Number, DIN, is allotted is subject to the rules and guidelines that may be prescribed by the central government. The central government has the authority to determine how the allotment process will be carried out, including the use of online systems, forms, and verification protocols. Typically, the process involves 1. Submission of application. The individual submits their application for DIN, including personal details, qualifications, and supporting documents. 2. Review and verification. The central government, through the Registrar of Companies, ROC, reviews the submitted application to verify the accuracy of the details and ensure that the individual is eligible to hold the position of a director. 3. Allotment of DIN. Upon approval, the DIN is allotted to the applicant. The DIN is then issued to the individual, often electronically, and serves as a permanent identification number for that individual's directorial role. The Director Identification Number is a permanent number, meaning that it remains valid for all future directorial roles, even if the individual changes companies or steps down from their directorial position. It is an important aspect of corporate record keeping and allows companies, regulators, and the public to easily identify the individuals who hold directorial positions within various companies. 4. Compliance with the allotment process. It is essential that the central government adheres to the prescribed timelines and processes for the allotment of the DIN. Any delays in this process could disrupt the corporate governance framework and delay the appointment of directors in companies. This would impact a company's ability to function properly, as the appointment of directors is an important aspect of its management and decision-making structure. The DIN system also plays a key role in ensuring that directors are properly identified, preventing the use of fake or fraudulent identities, and ensuring transparency in the appointment of directors. 5. Importance of the Director Identification Number, DIN. The Director Identification Number, DIN, is a vital tool for improving corporate governance and monitoring the activities of individuals serving as directors in various companies. All directors of Indian companies are required to hold a valid DIN, which is used to track directorial positions across multiple companies, monitor compliance with the provisions of the Companies Act, ensure transparency and accountability in corporate operations, prevent fraudulent appointments by ensuring that all directors are registered and identifiable through a unique identification number. The DIN system also facilitates digital governance, as it can be linked with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, portal and other online regulatory systems, making it easier for regulators to track the corporate activities of individuals across different companies. Additionally, companies can verify the credentials of their directors easily and ensure that they comply with all legal requirements. 6. Legal implications of DIN allotment. The allotment of a Director Identification Number, DIN, is not just an administrative process but is also tied to the legal framework governing the functioning of companies. Once an individual has been allotted a DIN, they are legally recognized as a director in the eyes of the central government and the Registrar of Companies, ROC. The individual is then bound by all the responsibilities, duties, and obligations prescribed for directors under the Companies Act, 2013. Moreover, the DIN allows regulatory authorities to trace and monitor the directorial activities of individuals in various companies. This can help prevent illegal practices such as director disqualification violations, conflict of interest, or fraudulent practices in the corporate world. The DIN is a critical part of ensuring that directors remain accountable for their actions, particularly in cases of corporate mismanagement, fraud, or regulatory breaches. 7. Practical implementation of Section 154. To summarize, Section 154 provides a clear procedure for the central government to follow in allotting a Director Identification Number, DIN, to individuals. This procedure ensures that the DIN is allotted within a month of receiving the application. The allotment process is conducted in the manner prescribed by the central government. All applicants can be easily identified and tracked as they serve in various companies. This section reinforces the importance of timely processing and efficient allotment of DINs to help streamline the process of director appointments and maintain transparency and accountability in corporate governance. For more details, contact us.